While workers were cutting down trees in the community, a baby raccoon fell from one of the trees. After comforting the distressed raccoon, they brought it back home. The little raccoon still appeared quite scared, so they fed it milk. Following a warm bath, they tenderly wrapped the raccoon in a soft towel and stayed with it until it slowly fell asleep. Before long, this adorable little creature settled into their home. It had a particular fondness for snacks, and its owners would buy all sorts of treats for it, making it an integral part of their gatherings. Gradually, their bond grew stronger, and the raccoon made friends with the family cat. It always followed humans around, sometimes even accompanying the workers to the construction site, eager to lend a hand. Adored by everyone for its cuteness, the raccoon also enjoyed the love of the family.